Welcome, rock stars. Today we're going to talk about confirming two-step linear equations. Hey, what did the dog say to its owner? I woof you. Oh, that's not. Okay, this should be a pretty brief video because we're talking about just simply how to confirm. How do I confirm that when I solved a two-step solution that my solution is correct, all right? So, but it's really important because now you can work on solving your two-step equations and then you can say, let me just make sure I'm right by doing what I'm about to teach you, okay? So let's talk equations first. Equations are a way of taking real-world math situations and finding solutions for them, okay? So equations should be equal on each side. Duh, equations equal. So you're going to have an equal sign, and whatever's on one side has to equal whatever's on the other side. Okay, so think of it as a balance. There's your balance, and one side has to be equal to the other. Now that we know that, we can use that knowledge to see if we found the correct solution after all of our hard work. So in other words, when we do something like this and we go to solve it, now we can figure out, am I right? Well, all you have to do to figure that out is you've solved an multi-step equation or a two-step equation, and at the very end you had all this mumbo jumbo, and at the very end when you went down you found out that x equaled something, okay? So let's say you solved this following equation. 2x plus 3 equals 15, and you did all that work. And at the end it says x equals 6. Well, we have to figure out, am I right? And there's a simple way to figure this out. And so let's go ahead and look at how simple this is. We just need to plug in the solution for the variable and see if that fact is equal. So if we said x equals 6, let's go ahead and take that 6 and plug it in for the variable. Okay, so x equals 6. So now we take that x right there, and we take this 6 right there, and we plug it in. And since 2 is next to x, what it really means is 2 times x. So now it's 2 times 6, because we just said that's what x equals. Okay? And then we just use our our ability to solve equations and order of operations to solve. So we have an expression. We don't need to mess with this side. All we're messing with is the one side. Do we multiply or add first? We multiply. What's 2 times 6? It's 12. We bring down everything else. So we brought down a 3 and our 15 is still there. Now we have 12 plus 3. So what do? We add 12 plus 3 and we get 15. And does 15 equal 15? By golly, it does. That means we are correct. Our solution works. Let's look at this one. Got another scenario. Did all that work, and again, we found x to equal 6. So we take our original equation, we take our answer, which we said x equals 6, and we plug it in for the x. So I'm going to take that x, I'm going to turn it into a 6, and now I use my order of operations to solve. I don't have any groupings, I don't have any exponents, but I do have multiplication or division. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 6, and I get 12. Okay, now all I have left is 4 minus 12. And what is 4 minus 12? It's negative 8. And negative 8 equals negative 2. Negative 8 equals negative 2. No, it doesn't. That means I made a mistake somewhere. Okay, because these have to be equal, and they are not equal right now. So that would be a big fat X. Not correct. So then you would go back up here and try to figure out what I did wrong. Okay, and in this one, if you look at it, what did we do wrong? It's 4 plus 4. We should have did the opposite of 4, right? We should have subtracted 4 from each side, okay? And that's what held us back, okay? So let's go ahead and fill in these blanks. Let's confirm two-step solutions. How can we check solutions? We start with plugging the solution in for the variable. So whatever you got that variable to equal, put it back in your original equation. Then we solve the expression using BGIMDAs. The one side that doesn't have that has the variable, you plug it in, and then you use GIMDAs to solve. And after that, if both sides are equal, of the equal sign are the same, your solution is correctamundo. All right, good job. Told you that'd be quick. Let's see. What kind of cat like to play in the water? Sea lions. S-E-A, sea lions in the water.